this is like, whoa, dude. Wow, I feel like a super nerd. This is awesome. I was called a dork last night. This is my dork outfit. How's that? What this is about is we're taking a little ride in the Jeep. Now, if anybody's watching, this is a Whipple vehicle. We have 0 inches of vacuum, and it's not kicking in. It's pulling the hill. I'm in 3rd gear. It's sort of a process where it feeds on itself. So at some point, you're either going to have vacuum or you're going to push on the gas hard enough that it's going to want boost. And if the video cuts off after this, we're sending home for a belt or a tow rig. But okay, you ready? Yes.